Hi, my name is Doug Brockel. I graduated from Holt High School with my diploma. During my time at school, I loved coding and the challenge of solving it. I decided to join Savvy Coders when I was introduced to it by a summer camp I attended. I've had plenty of time to use code, but never got any professional experience on my resume. So with Savvy, I plan to continue to change my career and develop a successful environment for me and my future. My capstone is inspired by copy and paste sites where you can copy different things and paste them into files, or as I call them, gin keys. During the process of building my capstone out, I thoroughly enjoyed retrospectives during our agile processes. It helped me focus on where our mind should be at and look back on what we did in the last sprints and where we should be heading in the future. During my time, I got to be a product owner and direct where we should be heading with our products. Even while developing a lot on our own time to reach homework deadlines, it was always nice knowing we could go for help if need be from Jira and my awesome classmates. Before I answer a question that I know a lot of you have, I would like to show my wireframes. Let me share my screen here. These are my wireframes and what I plan for the site to look like before development. And I will stop sharing. A hard question to answer is what my product is used for. This was my take on those copy sites with modern twists. So I just want to break it down and give some scenarios on what my product can be used for and some plans for the future. Let's say you are a leader on your team and want to monitor how your message is received. You can do this by putting it into my storage system, then having it be tracked on how many times it has been opened. One feature I plan on implementing in the future is an owner key that will open the file but not count as an open. That way you can monitor how many times it has been opened or get statistics on the file's lifecycle. Another instance is, let's say you are a digital influencer and want to do some sort of giveaway or give out. You can put your info in the gin key like your promo code or contact information and have it be deleted after being viewed once. I will now go ahead and show you what I'm talking about, and you will get to see some examples of that along with seeing the production site. So let's say you are on a team of 10. You can see that it closes after being viewed 10 times, and it has been opened 2 times so far. And you can make the message be whatever you want. Let's try the promo code. So I just opened it, and let's say that I got the promo code. If someone comes back in here and tries to open the same file, it will no longer be there and be deleted. These are just some of the instances that Locket can do. I will now quickly sum up the pages of Locket. On the home page, you have the gin key opening area, how many gin keys are currently being stored, and a fun fact from NASA. On the About page, you have a quick summary of how this product became to be, along with a quick little API call using Cloudflare. Cloudflare handles some of my processes along with generating the gin key, which was originally all on render. In the future, I plan on migrating all of my code onto Cloudflare using the Host.js framework, which is a lot quicker than render. On the contact page, I have a simple form connected to FormSpree that helps show me the message and email of the person contacting me. I will go ahead and show a quick example of that. So it'll come here, and this is the email, and this is what they've sent. On the Create page is where all the functionality happens. This is where you can make your file and the specifics about it. For example, how many times do you want it to be opened, as well as what your unique text should be for your generation key. This can be numbers and letters of any kind. So I'll say 3 times, and I'll just put numbers and letters. When I hit submit, I am brought to a hidden page that helps you continue the setup of your file or gin key before posting. This page lets you copy your key so you can give it out and place what you want inside the gin key. One thing I have planned for the future here is a form of code that can change the style or make a link out of your text using unique identifiers. Currently, it is in development and isn't quite ready to use just yet. And I will go ahead and copy that key. As you can see, we are now viewing the file. We have simple statistics on how many times a file can open, that is the closed ads, and how many times it has been opened so far, along with the unique gen key being posted. When you first make the file, this does not count as opening it. So I will go ahead and show that it does indeed pop back up. One thing I want to show is a sort of aha moment for me in my code. During building my project, I had to learn to work with promises. These are the .then statements that you see everywhere in my code. I finally started to understand the flow and unique abilities of working with promises. Another thing I want to showcase is my site being able to be shown in a mobile view. This was important for me since this is how I imagine a lot of people will first see my site, since everyone uses phones nowadays. The site is fully functional in mobile view. With that being said, I want to thank you for your time in watching this and hope you enjoy the product I've made so far. I want to also thank anyone who considers reaching out to hire as I'm ready to grow and learn.